Hey, what's up, everyone? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Welcome to the last session of this week. Good morning, Spencer.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Beautiful.
So, um, as you can see, I have some limit orders here. If it comes up here, very high likelihood of hitting my stop loss, but if it works, the risk reward ratio is great. Um, yeah, it would basically just be the retest of yesterday's liquidity graph, but still, we didn't break any structure to the downside. We're still in this perfect channel here, so it's also possible that we just get another breakout to the upside, or that we just take out this high. We just broke structure on the smaller time frames. Uh, Here, if you see this as structure here once, twice, three times, four times, so it broke structure here on the lower time frame. Um, Yeah, maybe Spencer, what's your take on today? Are you waiting for this trend line to break? Are you buying here? Are you selling if it comes up? What's your plan?
Let me see.
I'm going to share your screen. Or share your screen. I'm going to show you.
All right. Here we go. Share screen. By the way, I was able to get my account unlocked. Thankfully, I talked to support and they got it unlocked. So I'll be able to trade. Um, so yeah, honestly, I haven't even really came up with a crazy game plan for today. Like I sent you a picture this morning. This is what I believe is going to come. Just we've had four touches, really, really, really strong touches that have caused a massive move off this trend line. So if we do fall through this today, I would like to catch the top. So if we can potentially get a sweep up here, then I would like to catch sells to then come down, break through here for a massive sell day. That would be like the best scenario of the day. Sells here, break through, break and retest, and then just take out all this liquidity. Um, Now, if we want to stay in this range, as of now, we're popping above. I mean, it's not really a trend. We popped above and kind of supported this Tokyo high. I'm not really sure what I would like for the longs. Today's a day I'm gonna just observe, honestly. I'm not even gonna like think about trading until something becomes crystal clear. Um, but obviously I'm gonna try and catch the top for sells. I don't really see much I like for buys down here, unless we just get sells directly off the open, and we do tap into this and magically somehow want to respect it again for the fifth time. This could potentially bounce. The only way I see that happening is if we literally get sells off the open, and it basically would be sweeping the Tokyo low at the same time as bouncing here. And if we do get that bounce, I have a feeling it's just not going to be like extremely strong. Like I'll just look to scalp like a 10-point move off of it, nothing crazy. Because if it's right here right now, we get sells off the open, then it bounces. It's going to be pretty much staying in this range right here. So that would be the smaller day scenario. Big day scenario, sweep the high, go low. That's about it.
Sweep the high. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to delete the one sell limit, which would lead to a bigger loss than I want. Because if it comes up to this level, I still have time to watch, like look for confirmation. Yeah, let's observe.
Yep. Taking it easy today. I got to be cautious, very, very cautious, and just try and get one entry today. That's all I'm trying to take. When it's super crystal clear and I have a ton of confidence, I will execute and I will catch a bit. Other than that, I'm happy with just not trading today. It is the last Friday of the month.
True. Quick, gonna have a look at the daily. So I deleted this sell limit. Actually, it could even react here because that's still valid. By the way, yesterday it hit my TP. My TP was here. It hit a perfect 1 to 4. And here, that's still a valid zone here, but this is the better zone because that's a 1 hour. Here, a 1 hour FU, and here would be my, I said my sell limit. But since here on the 30-minute, we have another one. I have my sell limit here. That's the extreme. Like this, I barely risk anything. And if it comes up here and it makes like a lower time frame confirmation, I can still enter here. But I'm also just gonna observe. And on the daily,
That trend line is going to be our friend today. That's like our
yeah,
key like thing to watch out. I do not want to miss another bounce because I've caught sells from every single sweep of the high this week down to that trend line, and when it hits that trend line, I just continue to just not flip and take the buy when I could have made a ton of money trading the buys down there. So I don't want to miss the buy if it happens. I also don't want to. If I do take the buy, I'm going to have a very tight stop because of how well respected it is. We'll know if it does break, it's most likely they're going to be a fake out break or it's going to flush because it's just getting weaker and weaker every time it taps into that trend line. And it's bound to go at some point. You know, I would love to see it happen today, but we shall observe and see.
by the way, this is the most unlikely scenario here. I don't even know why I think about doing this. Looks beautiful, but it's very unlikely. Then it would retest this trend line and come back down. Here, this trend line. Maybe more something like this. Or it goes down straight off the open because we already took liquidity, would go down here, bounce, come up, fail to make a new high, break, retest it, go down. Or need another color for this one. Or it comes back down, comes back up, bounces, and then goes long as always.
Honestly, yeah. This area that I took a sell from yesterday, the first entry that I sniped, oh my God, that was so beautiful. But yeah, this area right here is potentially a good area to take sells. It's more of a supply area than liquidity.
I'm gonna make them transparent, and then at the end of the session or next week, I can show the colors again. Then we can see how it played out. I say this is going to be like, if it comes up here, this is like 90% or 80% chance it's going to be a loss. But the risk is so.
Where? So
Yeah, you know, I have this. There's like this 30-minute FU candle liquidity here. You see this one, and then I have my sell limit above. But that's also from here. That's actually a valid sell because you see it broke structure to the downside. From here, broke this. Means it has to take out this high, which it did. And this happens to be also the liquidity after this FU candle, which is an FU on the 15-minute, makes this a valid short entry. Makes it actually more probable than this one because when it comes up here, it's much more likely to take out the high than just bounce from here. Okay, yeah. The market has just opened. Let's get instantly in some positions here. No, it's gonna wait.
We are supporting the Tokyo high. So if we continue, might get some buys off the open, but let's see if we hold it.
By the way, if this close has a 5-minute FE, I'm just going to risk one contract because the stop loss would be absolutely tiny, but I'm going to wait first.
So weird. Sometimes the sessions indicators that I have on my chart, it like
Mm.
it'll show like it'll give the session like a frame already, like a high and a low. And I'm like, what if it's predicting exact range? This is the high, this is the low. That would be incredible. The magic hidden tool, like what? I don't know why it does that. It's weird. Oh, it's making the high and low the same as yesterday. we could make the same high and low as yesterday. That would be interesting. A little sweep of the high, sweep of the low. Oh, let me see. Probabilities counter. Keep forgetting to check that out. See what the odds are looking like.
By the way, I took this trade here on gold. It pumped up during the news, took out this high. After breaking structure to the downside, the setup is so powerful. You see, broke structure to the downside means after breaking structure, it has to take out. No, after breaking structure to the downside, it has to take out the high from where the break of structure came, which is this high. Then on 5 minutes, we had this FU candle, this bearish one. And then we had this bullish, which was a trap. And then when it came up here, I entered.
Forgot we have some red Michigan consumer sentiment at 9 o'clock. It's always a pretty good mover.
Really. Like I'm just, but you see, it's so bullish, so crazy bullish, so many bullish FU candles. So these bullish ones, they would have been much better.
52%. 52% chance of closing green on the day. Monday's 33. Ooh. That's when I'm expecting that sell to come. Not gonna lie. That big sell. Either gonna be today or tomorrow, but considering this is the last Friday of the month, I could see it consolidating today. Like the open hasn't even moved 2 points. It's crazy. Oof, that is hideous. All right, let's get this cleaned up. Can't even figure out how to go live. Like, what?
So the goal is not to predict the market, but only wait for a perfect setup. Actually, this buy here is for me a perfect setup.
Oh, you're watching the SPY now? Good man.
Yeah, typical smart money trap.
Good man.
You can take it with one contract only. And another one if it comes back down. Oh, I missed the button. I didn't click the button. Yeah, nice entry, really. No, it's gonna be a loss. A close already. Bullshit. This bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Yeah, $12 loss. Wow. No, but it's actually a valid setup. It's the
Oh
when
yeah,
you have a liquidity grab and it comes down and it builds internal liquidity, but it doesn't close below. It doesn't break structure. Then from here, it's almost always it explodes to the next zone.
I would just say remember everything that you know is valid and works. The first 15 minutes will get invalidated 90% of the time.
Yeah,
It
that's true.
the first 15 is just a joke. Like it, everything that I know that I've ever tried to trade to perfection, and it'll just get invalidated. I'm like, sweet, thanks.
Yeah, but yesterday was perfect.
Yeah, yeah. The days where just you get like opens and it just sells to no pullbacks, like that only happens like once a month, twice a month, maybe. The odds aren't really in your favor to trying to catch sells or buys off the open, but that's just from my personal.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, the candle before failed. Yeah, when this takes out the low, it's gonna be like two setups in a row that this failed.
Spies pulling down to go fill this little gap. Might get a gap and go.
Oh, and gold is gonna stop me at the break even. So sad. That's such a nice entry. But gold is just too bullish, man. Gold makes a new all-time high basically every day.
I don't understand how people trade gold the second hour of Tokyo. Like, yeah, I see there's people are catching clean moves, but it moves so slow during that time.
Not always.
To get it to go 10 points, it takes like hours, like 3-4 hours. I like
No, but the thing is, in Tokyo, you have much tighter stop losses. That's the difference. You can work with really tight stop loss. In New York, you need these huge stop losses, and then the risk reward ratio is not so high, just because the range is so big and it's so wicky.
yeah. Dude, I can't figure out how to go live on YouTube. I forgot how to do it. I have it scheduled and I'm like looking at it, but here, let me share my. Actually, no, I'm not gonna share my screen. Um, oh, there we go. I just had to click on that. All right, well, I'm live today. Probably have 0 viewers, but who cares? I just want to record the session. I like how YouTube documents it and it doesn't take any space on my computer. Boom. Got the Tokyo bounce. Respecting this Tokyo high very nicely for the 4th time. Why does it show this? Right. Looks like we're failing to hold Tokyo low. Here comes the flush. We have a tiny little demand zone right here. Kind of respected it to the tick. Hourly's crazy bullish. And then see how this works. This hourly's gonna tell a good story. The way this closes. If this hourly closes bearish or a bearish engulfing, it'll be a pretty nice sign for the bears, because I just don't see this thing eating all the way back up to that high. Let's see. Fibonacci time. Yeah, we're rejecting the discount zone. We'll see. 9 o'clock. We got that news. So let's see if the market wants to flip.
Also, then the new 4-hour candle opens, which is going to be the candle that makes the move of the day, probably.
Yeah, this 4 hour is looking like it wants to leave a wick. See, I'd like to catch the top, but we didn't even tap into my zone. My zone's a little bit higher. Liquidity is a little higher. Kind of just stopped right before everything that I was going to try and short. So now I'm going to have to try and find a lower valid entry spot if we are going to sell. Or, yeah, if this drops aggressively and then pops back up, get it in on a lower high. Or just freaking risk it for the biscuit. Way too big. Way too big of an entry. Risky. PA on the 1 minute. Disgusting.
So 15 minutes to the news. No, yesterday the news, I didn't see anything.
Nah, it's Michigan. Michigan. Bid filled. Then bid turned into offer. Some weird price. Auctions going weird, wacko stuff right now. What's your that sell level at that you have? It looks pretty similar to my area.
It's very refined. Actually, the whole area is from 5.8 to 1 to 5 5830, but
Yeah, I'm trying to. I was looking around like five, right around 5,825 is a good little sell spot for me. 5,824, 5,825. Potentially sweep the New York high. 5,827. But as of now, we are far away from that.
and you wouldn't sell from here.
From here?
Like if it comes up and forms some kind of setup. For me,
Yeah, I mean, I could, if something I liked and could visually see clearly, I would take it. I'll take a trade anywhere that I can read the market completely well and see that buyers or sellers are in the place that they need to be for me to enter. But I just have that area above as my high probability area, like my area I'd like price to be.
I just have this perfect setup here, break a structure, and then taking out this very high. Well, nothing on the smaller time frame yet. Oh, actually, here we do. We actually had an FU. Oh, look at this.
What time
Yeah,
frame?
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minute.
Yeah, that's a magic.
Never
Just-
seen the 10-minute before.
I think I should. Yeah, it's my setup. Just didn't see it.
I don't see. Wait, is my shit? Oh, it's turned off. That's why. Are you talking about the green, the big green one?
No, it's the bearish ones. The
On
green.
ES?
Yeah,
I don't see anything on ES. I just see one big 10-minute green bullish FU candle.
really.
Oh, I see the one you're talking about, but it's not colored for some reason.
Yeah, I think you always have the wrong settings, and then you change it, but you don't save it. You need to change the candle size setting. Look, this one. Everyone gets this wrong.
Candle size.
Look, this here. That's a liquidity graph. How much does the wick have to go above or below the previous one?
0.05, 0.05, 1, and 0.1. Okay.
But this is the
that one's changing to 15 some reason.
Your FU candle is only valid if it is minimum X pip. So a lot of people have this on 15 or 30. Obviously, it's not going to show on the small time frame. I have this on 1 and here 0.1. That's for the body.
Yeah, now it's showing. Okay, got it.
And then I have here another sell limit. And here's my stop. No, I'm going to actually have my stop loss above this one. I'm risking almost nothing, so I actually don't care if I win or lose. No, that's wrong.
You said you took sells?
Yes. One market entry and one limit.
Yeah, look at it go. Just tapped into VWAP. Looking, hopefully we tapped it to the tick. See, that's one thing I'm always like, unless we're far away from VWAP, I don't mind taking sells, but taking sells with VWAP right under it, kind of on a pullback when we're trending up, that was kind of a little risky.
Yeah, it is risky, but the size is so small that it did the perfect setup. Breaks structure to the downside, takes out the high, makes a bullish FU trap, fails, took it out and had these FU candles. This would have been obviously the better entry. So this here would have been the perfect entry. FU candle, then a candle, a doji after FU candle, and this would have been the trade. But I didn't see it because I was on the wrong time frame.
I can see that for sure.
Now we get shitty entry, obviously.
What time frame is that you're looking at?
10-minute.
The 10-minute. Why? Mine only shows one FU candle. You got two red FU candles.
Maybe we have a different contract. No, it's because you have it's because of this setting. There's an additional filter here. Check wick. If I enable this, it will not show the first one. Boom.
Let me see. How do I save these, man? I'm sick of it.
Now you just go to here, save indicator template. Here.
Oh, got it. Save as default.
This filter, what it does is if it's a bearish FU candle and the wick, the down wick is bigger than the up wick, then this means it's invalid, or this filter makes it invalid because the rejection in the counter, the opposite direction is stronger. That's why. But I don't think it makes such a big difference, to be honest.
Now I have way more FU candles on my chart. They're everywhere.
I need to know how to filter them.
Yeah, exactly.
And my sell limit is here because this is where it should usually come up, but sometimes there's so much momentum that it just dumps straight.
SPY looks like it just filled the gap. Pushing up. Cute. Yeah. Minute. Oh, it's ugly. Well, we swept the opening range, the bottom, as of now. Pretty clean. Now we're forming an FU potentially to the upside. If this closes bullish.
Yeah, usually when I enter short, then the next candle is a bullish FU. Yeah, we know. Like yesterday on the stream, it was exactly the same. But the key is, I think, just using such low risk that I can allow myself 2 losses without giving a damn. Because if
you're super light, that's the best part about being light and being, just no money or no attachment to the money.
Like the maximum that I allow myself to lose in the absolute worst case is the profits that I made yesterday. That's the absolute max.
How much did you make off that whole move down on the Apex account?
$180 with one contract.
Are you serious?
One micro, I think.
One micro made you 180 per account, or did you just trade one account?
No, I traded all accounts together. That's why I'm taking
180 times all the accounts. That's crazy. Because that means you caught $50 every 10 points. So you caught over 40 points?
I think so. Or did I have more? I need to check my history if I had some trades before, but well, I didn't see it because I went to the gym and I had my take profit set.
I mean, we did catch the top, so I wouldn't be surprised if that was 40 points. It was like close to 30, 40 for sure. let's see, from this wick all the way down was 43 points. Yeah. Wild. That's a banger.
Now, you know what's wild? How bullish gold is. It doesn't want to go down. It simply doesn't.
It's so strong, like long term, and just lately, it's just been ridiculous. Such a
Yeah.
good asset to be invested in. And I was just looking at the market, just in general, bro. Like, instead of having like, I mean, a lot of people invest in stocks and stuff. That's awesome if you're getting into like some amazing stock that's just like a new up and coming company like Tesla when that came out, or Nvidia or whatever. But overall, like just safe and secure annual returns, bro. The S&P 500 is so fucking clean. It's just
Yeah.
so consistent, always pushing highs every year.
But then again, when it's just at all-time highs, you don't want to buy it there
Oh
because
yeah, nah, definitely. I mean, you could not at all time, but like you could buy it at any point, and in 10 years you're gonna be up.
yeah.
But like in 10 years from now, it's gonna be above 10 grand, easy. It's gonna be wild. Probably right around 10 grand, maybe higher. I don't know. That's what a day. Market's pumping. Oh, forgot we got news. 2 minutes. This is what we're anticipating. Let's see what we get. I'm gambling, taking buys. Psych.
Right into my stop loss. No, I believe in this sell. It looks very good.
But I don't know, man. With news, I would be definitely have a tight stop. Or no, you said you're in light, so I guess your regular stop could be fine.
Yeah, I'm so light, it doesn't matter. I lose like $20 or $30. Who knows?
Yeah, that's
Almost nothing.
just feel like it's gonna go up based off this, but it invalidate my theory easily.
Okay, 50 seconds.
If we just get a pump up into this zone,
Right into my stop loss.
yeah, nah, take out that high. I'm fucking looking for sells for sure.
Now I have the opportunity to exit. No, now it's gone. Opportunity's gone.
Where is it gonna go?
No, but the way the candles are forming tells me it's a short. Struggling.
Yeah, potentially.
Of course, for every pip down, you have 10 pips up move, even in a strong sell trend. But oh no, it froze. Everything is frozen.
It's going up a little bit. It's not doing much.
It hit only one of my stop losses. The other stop loss
Jumping
failed.
now. Oh, it's going back up.
Oh, but
It's
I
all over
don't.
the place.
It. You saw it. This is the reality. Like it slipped one of my stop losses. I don't know how this is possible. So I'm in this trade now, which was
Oh,
surprising.
yeah. I did that. I don't know. I didn't think it got that high. Wait a
Yeah,
minute. Why does your chart show that it got to that high?
because my stop loss was here, so it has to move there. You know.
No, but like it actually didn't get up that high. Like I'm looking at the charts. It really didn't, bro. What the heck? Like look at my chart. It hasn't even gotten up there yet.
Wait, I'm gonna show your chart. Can you share your screen?
What the hell? I am.
But then also,
Hold on. Now I'm sure.
gold, gold is dumping. No, no. Gold is dumping with this news while other correlated assets are going long. That's very strange.
See, your chart got up here already.
Oh,
Mine was when yours was up here, mine was still down here. That makes no sense, bro. What?
maybe it depends on if you're in a position or not.
Time frame? Or was I looking at a completely different time frame?
No, I'm on the 10 minutes.
10 minute. I mean, even on the 10 minute, like that's fine. Yours was up here. You had a wick up here off the news, and mine was down here off the news. It didn't even go up here till now.
Yeah, that's strange. But mine is called Micro E Mini, and yours is called
Oh,
S&P.
yeah. I'm trading regular ES contracts. Let me see if MES created that way, because sometimes they do trade differently. Sadly, oh yeah. Okay, so MES had more manipulation for sure. Unfortunately,
No, that's all right. I think it can form now another 5 minute FU maybe.
support right here and go long. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's true.
It looks like it's gonna bounce and just rip up right here.
Yeah, but very manipulative today for sure.
I'm trying along here.
Yeah,
Stop this
that's
way.
yeah. Sometimes I get lucky with news, sometimes I don't.
Horrible entry, dude. I couldn't get my freaking stuff set up in time. But it's okay. I'll figure it out. Go take out some highs. Looking good. Come on. Boom. Ripping. 150. I'm gonna shoot for 10 points. Up 5 points almost. Come on, baby. Bro, really? Just melts back down.
No, it can still go to 5808 because there's the wick after the FU can.
Yeah. That was aggressive. A really aggressive takeout of that liquidity. Come on, dude. Always be on some BS. Oh, this thing is freaking melting. Of course, brother. Wow. Just threw everything. Go, baby, go. Freaking right back up. This is so sketch. This thing is crazy. Just gonna let it play out. Stop loss or TP. 58.25. I like that it's supporting that area though.
How do you know how much profit you make if it shows in ticks?
I don't. I just know one contract, 20 ticks is 250, 40 ticks is 500.
Oh, I see.
Because 40 ticks is 10 points. 10 points is 500. 2 contracts is 1,000. And I have it open right here. I don't know if you can see it right here.
Oh, yeah, I see.
But normally I don't like to watch it. I keep it like this.
Yeah, because it fucks you with your mind.
Yeah, I just like to know. I lost 4 ticks. I gained 20 ticks. It's so much easier on my brain. Like, dude, I don't like this at all. Come on. Push, push, push. It's just jerking around right here. I have a feeling it's gonna freaking flush and then rip up. I don't know, maybe not. Oh, looks pretty good. Looks okay. Dude, I just wish I got this entry, dude. This is where I wanted to enter right here. I pulled out my freaking weapon.
Yeah.
Slow.
The 1 minute FU retest. Wow, you have your stop loss inside this candle.
Should I have it lower?
I have it below the candle, but no, you're probably right.
It just feels like, I don't know, if it does flush, it's going to be aggressive. But yeah, we could potentially take me out and then just go straight up from there. I could just feel it coming down and taking that liquidity. I can feel it in my bones. Moved it 1 tick, 58.08. And here. Oh my God. Okay, finally it took out some liquidity. Hopefully that was the last one. There we go. It looks like it's got some juice. Get going here. FU candle on the 1 minute. Push, 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 push. Let's get this FU to the new all-time high. Imagine a 1 minute FU all the way to the all-time high.
Yeah.
Hulk dick. Friday fuckery.
Yeah, that's one of the bad FUs. It has
That FU is so small. I can't barely even see it.
This one, it always gets inversed. When it has this tiny wick on top, usually it gets inversed.
Great.
Short entry.
Fabulous. Yeah, I don't see a bullish candle coming after that, to be honest. Man. I do like all the wicks we're pushing down here. It would be nice to get one more and then just launch. Are you in anything?
Yeah, I mean, I changed my bias. I took the same long like you.
I think it's a pretty solid plan. Very minimal risk. 3-point stop loss and a 10 to 20 point reward. I would say 16. Oh, that New York.
Very quick with taking profits on this buy because we have Friday, and yeah, it as of now it has reacted very strong every time it took out a high or a low. So
Exactly.
I don't have my swing trade mentality on this long.
I'm confused what the hell's going on.
Especially, I'm in gold cells, and they really hurt to watch. It's a permanent porcupine.
Jesus, bro, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna stick to the plan, but I'm not liking how lackluster this movement is, bro. I want to see it push.
Yeah, you need to understand that
I have a feeling it's going to be aggressive. Whether it's down or up, it's going to explode.
zoom out, my friend. It's forming a 15-minute bullish FU,
And a
and
1 minute.
forming the top wick of it, and then the next candle will almost guaranteed come down again for a bit.
Wow. This thing's fucking so annoying. The worst open in the US history. Finally, it took out that low. Oh, no. Come on. And it's over. Told you it was going to be aggressive. Man, rips right back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle close because it still has a chance to close as a bullish and as a bearish because it took out the high and the low.
Fucking sucks, dude. Shittiest fucking Friday ever, bro. Why do they do this to everyone? Who makes money in this garbage?
You know, they have their high frequency bots. They make so much money in these ranges. And I should do the same, like every time it takes out, it's ranging and it takes out the high, like always having buy limits below and sell limits above.
Seriously.
Creating these tiny rejections.
Oh, I should have known after that big fucking rip tapped into VWAP, then the move's going to happen, of course, right after it stopped out. Always happens. I was waiting for that big wick, but it was too big. Came and ripped me off.
Okay, we have 25 seconds to the close of this candle. Which happens to be also the perfect 5-minute FU. Yeah, on the 5-minute, it was the most beautiful setup. You see, FU and the FU retest, absolutely perfect. Except below the wick, but it didn't take out the low. Again. Now let's see.
Dude, oh my God, you're not going to believe this. I freaking took that on a paper trading account on accident.
No way.
Thankfully, I was logged in a trading view on my paper trading still. Not my live account. I'm only logged in on Tradeovate, so I got to switch this. Thankfully, I didn't take that loss. That's fucking amazing.
To me, the opposite happened. I was like, okay, I blew an account. I'm like, okay, let's try to patch the next account. I took the next one, blew it. I'm like, oh no, this was a funded account.
Yeah, that happened to me too when I was trading the Apex accounts.
When I'm in full revenge mode and I blow one account after another because they're so cheap. And it's just
That was
accidental.
a sign from God. Wow. Blessing me. Thankfully. I mean, I honestly, me getting locked out of the account last night was kind of a sign for me to like just stay away today. It was kind of like, I felt like a lesson, but also a blessing. Because I know Fridays and the end of the month are always like this. So I might dig myself deeper into a hole by trying to attempt to trade today. And then we had this lesson on top, or this kind of blessing on top of it. I'm like, shit,
Yeah.
might just take the day off. Everything's signing me towards stay away. Okay, news is done. But if you're in this still, in this long, I still love it. I'm not going to lie. 5-minute double F you to the upside. It's crazy how manipulative it is. It's about to take off right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, just wanted to take the liquidity again. Yeah, there's no more liquidity to take. That dip into VWAP was the like full liquidity sweep on the lower time frames.
Yeah.
So if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. Any type of dip under that VWAP is going to end up in a sell for sure. Which I would not be opposed to taking sells later if we do get a melt day. Crazy FU candle to the downside to the upside. You know you're sharing my screen on your YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yours. Mm-hmm.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, it struggles to break out. To me, it still looks like it wants to go short.
Maybe one more big push up and then short. I think it wants to fake them out, fake everyone out.
Yeah, true.
Definitely don't think it's going to go long and continue long all day. That's for sure. It's got to be some type. If it is going to go long, it's just a temporary. Take out all the highs, come up into some type of zone, reject, and then chop the way down. Or hopefully we get an elevator down. Stairs up, elevator down. Yeah, this 58.13 needs to break and hold above. If we can break and hold above 58.13 area, create some demand, another consolidation up there, slowly start making our way up. It's just a big tug of war battle right now. There we go. Come on. A little bit more. There you go. Now I should break the high. Yeah, it looks like it's maintaining a little bit better on this push up. Not sweeping. Come on, come on. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing.
Now I want to see how it reacts when it takes out this high again.
Yeah, exactly. The only other high above that we have is that pre-market high, 58.17. It's a double top pre-market high. Not a double top, but I'm on the 1 minute. Never mind, it's not really valid, but still a little liquidity should be sitting above that. Little pre-market. I don't know. We're gonna get a nice little push here. That VWAP bounce. Jesus, dude, that entry of the day. I love VWAP. I keep telling you that. Look at this VWAP bounce, brother. Bang.
At least gold hits my TP now.
Dude, wait, you didn't get stopped out of that?
On gold.
Oh, I thought you said this morning you were about to get stopped out.
Oh yeah, almost.
Damn, sick.
So close. I was
Damn.
away. How much? You know how much I was away from getting stopped out?
Yeah, it's just ripped. How much?
1.4 pips.
Jeez.
And on the CFD broker, you have 1 pip spread, so 0.5 pips. I'm not getting stopped. Oh no, I was a little bit higher. Yeah, but still. And now it just goes much faster. The lower it is, the faster it goes.
Yeah.
It's always slow at the beginning.
Alrighty.
Boom, final TP hit, just like this. This was an absolute banger trade. But I took this before the stream.
You're in this ES, right?
Oh yeah. I'm also in ES. But that's, I'm a little bit tired of this whole prop firm bullshit.
Honestly, just get a payout and switch back to a fucking personal. I'm gonna start just trading one account. I'm done with every outside source. I'm just gonna have a 20K account and try and shoot for like 50%, 50 to 100% on that account. Just call it a day. Scale it. Just a normal trading account. Scale it normally. Reinvest some profits into. I briefly told you I'm gonna start trading SPY as well. So on days not like today, on days where the market is trending more, better sense of direction, gonna be trading SPY options at the same time that I trade ES futures to multiply the income, and then just scale both trading accounts. I'll be trading SPY on Charles and Schwab Thinkorswim platform, and then sticking to futures on Trade-of-8. But I'll be doing that once I get in my apartment, have my whole setup. I'm gonna need more screens and stuff. There goes a rip.
When you trade a personal account, it's just so important to take profits, like to withdraw them and put it somewhere where it's safe.
This trade was fucking absolutely goated. 10 points on the day. I should have added, not stopped out. I should have added on the touch of VWAP, but it was just so choppy. That would have been so risky.
Yeah, you need to trust the FU candles, my friend.
Too bad I didn't fucking take it on a real account.
Now, okay, now a question to see if you understand it. When you have this big bullish FU candle, the 5 minute, where's the optimal entry and how do you enter?
Right under this.
Using a buy limit.
Buy limit right here.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah, you could do that, or off VWAP.
Yeah, that's true.
I love the VWAP. But nah, I mean, VWAP's not always going to be there. it's not always going to be your friend. But in this scenario, it worked
But
beautifully.
it's powerful, actually. And if you can that reject so strong of the VWAP is obviously a very good sign of.
Yeah, if you have this setup along with VWAP backing it, it just gives you that much more power behind it. That's the same way with that's how I explain my Tokyo bounce strategy. Like if we push up like right here and we come down and tap into Tokyo high and VWAPs right here, it wins every single time. I've never taken an L on that trade, and there's zero drawdown on those trades. It just bounces right off VWAP, right off the Tokyo high, and rips. So just having VWAP backing any of your entries is always nice. It's just the strongest confluence.
Yeah, also you said I wouldn't take the sell because the VWAP, but that was actually true.
Exactly, because you're selling right into that strength.
I just don't have the VWAP because it looks so messy on my chart. I have it.
It's just like an EMA, but yeah, I know. Too many lines. I sometimes take the 50 off and just have the 9 and the VWAP, or I'll just have the VWAP. But I don't mind 3. It's honestly nice if you keep them all the same color. Like I keep all the EMAs white, and I just kind of know just based off how far they are, which one is which. The closest one to the candles is the 9. The second is the 50, and I used to have the 200, but that was too much. I don't really need the 200 very often. So the VWAP's the third best thing to have. I would say actually it's one of the first, like the most important. The EMAs are second. Because the EMAs just on days like this don't matter. They just get completely invalidated on every. The EMAs are only for my like when I'm in a trade to see it trend. Like right here, we're in this trade. We can see that we're staying above the 9. As long as we stay above the 9, I'll stay in the trade. We're now not rejecting, but kind of slowing down right here at my zone. This is where we sold yesterday. This exact area. Look, let's see. Oh, where's yesterday's session? Oh, right here. Remember, popped back up. We sold right here, right at that top wick. Beautiful sells. So that's why I'm like kind of interested in this area, because we did have this support and then we came up, respected that.
It's about to hit the first level of liquidity, which it has to take in order to go short from this zone. But it didn't hit it yet. It stopped right before. We'll have an alert. You hear it.
Looks like it could potentially just get all the way up to New York high. Sweep that. I would not mind seeing these highs get taken out. I would be sick. You're still in, huh? I would be holding.
Yeah, but I don't like it. I don't like being in these buys because the rejections are so strong.
Yeah, I know. That's why I use the EMA, bro. If this thing closes under, I'll just get out. Because it looks. The only thing about the EMA strategy is like sometimes it'll get under, like deep sometimes, and then shoot back up and leave a wick. It won't close under, but
yeah, exactly.
You got to be willing to hold through that whole thing to see if it's going to close or not. It sucks. So that's why I kind of just set the 10 to 20 point profits for myself. Like, okay, today's not the craziest, most aggressive day, so we'll shoot for 10. If it is very nice, we'll shoot for 20, 30. And just not even use anything else to gauge my profits, like not setting profit targets based off, I don't know, other factors. Just using levels and numbers. All types of numbers. Wow. Ejected that pretty nice. Ugh. And there's the melt.
But you see that it didn't take out this wick from yesterday just for, like, what's the difference here?
And it just melts. Like, what the fuck?
So close.
Oh, you're talking about that wick that we took sales from?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it stopped like
It's one tick difference.
one tick. That's crazy.
But this means that when it stops right before the wick and then it sells off, then usually after this it breaks through the whole POI because
See, look,
this
all the way back up now if you can.
is to trap sellers.
As long as we maintain above 58.13, I would hold that. If we get under 58.13, it's a goner. That's like the previous resistance / opening range where it should stay supported if we're gonna get the push. Good trade though from the bottom on this choppy mess. Spotting that long was very beautiful, and flipping our bias immediately because I was not focused on longs from right here at all. But the way that we were chopping down right off the open was just, there's no way that shit was gonna let go to the downside.
Oh, I cannot wait for next week. Next week's going to be an absolute banger week. I know it.
Oh yeah,
Imagine.
first week of the month, and I'm starting on a new fresh 20K account. It's gonna be beautiful, 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 beautiful.
It's the best case scenario, like being at all-time highs, and then you have NFP and other news coming up.
Is NFP next week?
It should be. It's always the first Friday of a new month. Let me check the calendar next week.
Yeah, I know that. Ugh. I don't trade news, so I'm not ever trading news ever again.
No, but these days are always so volatile. So on
Yeah.
Monday we have um, if, how is he called? Fetcher Powell speaks at 12 p.m.
Lately, his speeches don't do shit, but now that interest rates change, they might start affecting the market a little more. Or he might.
Actually, Monday is the last day of the month.
Yeah, it is, but today's still the last Friday.
So then on Tuesday we have ISM manufacturing PMI, and then we have Joel's job openings. High impact, obviously. Then on Wednesday we have ADP non-farm employment change, and then we have another one. We have unemployment claims, ISM services PMI, and then on Friday we have non-farm employment change. Oh, I cannot wait.
Yeah. Next week's packed with news.
Yeah, it's gonna
Holy
be
smokes.
amazing.
Yeah, trading that volatility after news is gonna be sweet. I love catching like news retracements. So nice. Just rejects the supply or the demand perfectly and just let's go. Rips up. All right, here's the test. See if we can hold this 50 period and rip back up right now. Bounce. Oh my God.
I'm out break even, but I have a buy limit at 5810.
Yeah, this thing can just bounce right off VWAP again.
Ooh.
Dude, it's been respecting VWAP all day. I'm just going to take a buy limit on VWAP. See what happens with a 1 point stop loss.
No, today I literally don't care because my goal is hit already TP, so I don't give a damn today about it.
20-point banger to end the week. Ugh. That'd be incredible. The market just lops. I mean, now that I'm looking at it, bro, we were rejecting my sell level. It's so perfect. This zone, this red zone. But yeah, we didn't take out that week. Maybe a lower high right around here. Not really sure. Okay, 58.13 held. That's crazy. Got out of break even and just pushed up. Fuck. High. Low. Bro, it's been pouring rain for like a whole entire day. Day and night.
I didn't even look outside, but I think it's sunny. Oh yeah, of course it's sunny. It's every day. I can go to the pool every single day.
Yeah, that is nice. I do like the rain, but not when it's like every day of the week. That's for sure.
I love the rain.
And I'm just chilling. Like, I love the rain. I wish like every time I stepped outside it could be sunny, and then right when I come inside it rains.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. When I first got to Nashville, it was so fun. This building has a nice jacuzzi on the rooftop, and I was up there just chilling in the rain as it's pouring in the hot tub. This is looking mighty fine. Who would have thought? This is like where I would expect this lower high to come in. If it is gonna sell. If it keeps pushing past this, we're gonna make a new high. There it goes. Did that limit order go off for you to get back in?
No, unfortunately not.
Damn.
No, too sad. No, but today I don't care. I literally don't care. It's a Friday. I already made good money on gold, and I know ES is gonna do absolute dog shit.
Yeah, I could see. Yeah, it's just like sitting on the bench all day and
Just gonna be
sitting around with his dick in his hand.
wicks on wicks.
Let's see what the daily looks like. The daily. Bro, what if the daily just goes up, takes out the high, and then melts all the way down? So it creates a wick, a higher wick, and then bearish engulfing.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm looking for.
That would be a nice 50-point sell-off. You know, you never know. These things could just pick up the pace anywhere the last couple hours and just do something wild. It's wild market we live in. Here to execute. Make a decision. I want to make some bread. Breakfast and bread. Big 1 hour FU candle. Tapping into the bearish FU candle from yesterday. Interesting. $30-minute looks super good. The 30-minute looks super good. bullish engulfing or bullish FU candle, and then the last 30-minute pulled all the way down, and now left the bottom wick. Looks like it's gonna break to the upside. Man, why couldn't I just be at the bottom still? It's only been an hour. Let's see. Did we get the 9 o'clock reversal? We did. Look at the 9 o'clock. That 9 o'clock was the low of the day, right when it reversed back up. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Happens every freaking day, dude. On the exact minute today.
Oh, I see. We have a 30-minute FU, so I'm gonna have I have my buy limit below the low of the current 30-minute candle.
Okay, I like that.
And my TP is the high of yesterday because ES makes almost every day new all-time high.
Yeah, if we do get in this back in longs, which I personally don't think it's gonna pull back. It could, but I think it's gonna take off here in a minute. But if we do, and then it rips back up, the TP is for sure gonna be the all-time high, that wick from yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
But I think this thing's gonna get going here. Wait, is that a sadly missed out on all the fun? Oh, it's coming down. That would be crazy if it took that up.
Yeah, we have 15 minutes more for this candle, or 16, so it can do everything.
You said your wicks or your limit order. What time frame did you set it?
30-minute.
It's below.
But then on the 15-minute, we have the same setup, and there I have below this wick also a buy limit. So I have one buy limit at 5.811, and I have another one at 5.810, and my stop loss is at 5.804.
Let me just. Oh, it's on my screen.
Oh, if you want, I'm going to show it just a second.
Okay.
So, chat, this is my setup. You see, here, this is the 15-minute setup. Here's my buy limit. Here's my stop loss. But now on the 30-minute, this is the setup. Because we have this wick. And if this doesn't come lower during these 15 minutes, then I can leave I don't think it's going to come all the way down. If it does, it's fine. It's going to trigger this. But if this closes as a wick, obviously I'm going to leave my buy limit as a doji. Then I'm going to leave my buy limit here, assuming that the next candle is going to come down, take this liquidity, then shoot up. And my TP should actually be here. One TP should be here at this wick, and the other above zone. Anticipating this zone to fail. So I'm gonna set an alert. I'm gonna make myself coffee. I'm back in a few minutes.
Can you make me a cup?
What?
Can you make me a cup?
Yeah, I'm gonna pour it through my keyboard.
My coffee maker's still broken. I'm pissed.
I only drink this how do you call it? This coffee powder that is just it's vacuum dried.
Oh, I could
Like,
probably go pick up a coffee from the store downstairs, actually.
oh, that's the American way of life. Getting that $8 coffee.
Literally, is $8 fucking scam.
Americans are the world's number one in takeaway, I think. It's
Yeah, they
crazy how much
spend
stuff
their
costs.
whole paycheck on coffee and rent. And
Yeah, chat, I'm back in a bit.
okay, what's good? What? Why? Why is it order rejected? Why? What? It's not even letting me trade. That's weird. Oh, I see. That's why. Turn that off. I missed my dang entry. No way, it's still rejected. What's going on? That sucks, man. Of course, every time I try and take a trade and it's a winner, this shit just fucks me. Come on, man. What is going on? Oh, I forgot to hit save. There we go. Well, now I missed it. It's still. I don't know what's happening now. I don't know. Everything's turned off. Dude. Oh, now it fills? It's hilarious, bro. That's hilarious, bro. Oh, I tried to get sells right here. This was my entry, and I got order rejected, and then order rejected, and order rejected, and of course, it gives it to me at the bottom here. So ridiculous, bro. Anything above these highs, I'm out. Looking for this thing to start flipping for us. Flipping and ripping. Let's get it, boys. Friday banger to the downside. It's been enough fuckery for the start of the day. this is invalid. We will call it a day. Oh boy. Bulls just don't give up ever, bro. They are just bullish to the day they die. just gonna break. It should break to the downside. It's getting very annoying to watch. Just sitting here doing nothing. Just here, we'll draw an arrow for you so you know what to do. There you go, bud. There you go, bud. There you go, bud. Get on down there, buddy old pal. I'm scared of this VWAP. Can we break it? If we break this, can we break this? Is the question. Go. Come on. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. The record up. 17 wins. Not gonna lie, guys, my screen looks messy. Need to clean this shit up. Why does it look so messy? Come on, bro. No more lollygagging. Straight down from here. Ready, set, go. Beautiful. Just let it go. Just let it go. Puta madre. Hey, Tim, are you here?
I'm coming in a bit.
Guys, he's coming in a bit. Watch out. He's coming. Day trade the world live. That's just hard. That's a gangster ass fucking size.
All right, I'm back, and price didn't do anything.
I'm actually in short.
Really?
Yep. Look at my screen.
Let me share his screen.
Second this thing breaks, we're gonna flush. I like the way that this is consolidating up, and now we're creating lower highs. And I just see this breaking very nicely. And when it does, I think it'll be a flush. The only thing I'm nervous about is this VWAP, because I really want to target down here, the Tokyo low from last night.
Yeah, I see. I see. I'm tired of switching the bias though. Mm,
Yeah, I mean, this is the only trade I've taken technically for today. If it works, amazing. If it doesn't, I'm not trading anymore. It's just one and done.
mm-hmm.
I was willing to give a stab at it though. Gotta let go of this trend line though. It's weird little intraday. Funky little trend line. Just let it go. Stop being a hoe. I think that was the high, dude. Fortunately. And flush. And this is the only trade I really can see that could potentially have a 20, 30 point move. Let's see, what is it? Yeah, 23 points down to the Tokyo low. I just think Tokyo low wants to get taken out today. It just looks like it. Whether it be now or later, shall get taken out today. Maybe tap into that trend line again. Wouldn't that be nice? Take buys off the trend line bounce. Oh, catch this short all the way down to the trend line and then take buys. Let's flip my buys again. That would be one hell of a trading day. Call me indecisive. The market's indecisive. Come on. Getting really sick of this little area. Just sitting in. This is crazy. Chop, 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 chop.
Wow, gold is fucking ripping.
Up? Probably up, obviously.
Oh, 248 pips. I'm still in a position. Jesus.
Are you kidding me?
It
That's
took so
crazy.
long. It took so long. Let me explain the trade. I'm still in this trade.
Let me see. Show the screen.
Insane. Oh man, imagine I would have had all my lots open. It was a personal account that I had one lot on it. Imagine this.
Oh, yes. Just let go. See if we can maintain. Let's fucking go. Come on.
Yes, because it's about to hit my entry.
Dude, it just fucking goes right back up. Kidding me, man. All week it's been doing this. There's just no continuation the entire week. Oh boy, what do I do with this fucking trash ass market? End the month. I gotta just take my profits at VWAP. I'm not gonna look for anything more. I'm just gonna set my limit order there. Hopefully that's at least 10 points. No, it's only 6 points. What? That's crazy. It looks way bigger. That's only 6 freaking points. Well, in that case, I guess I'll take it. Whatever. Or do we just set stops to break even if we get down there? I don't know, man. Let me see this gold trade. I want to see.
Yeah, I'm gonna request a withdrawal now. Now the thing is, I need to be.
Withdraw from Apex?
No, this is on a normal broker.
Oh, I was like, damn, you can already do that? That's fire.
So I need to share a different screen. Just no. Just a second. How can I do this? Present, share screen. Boom. Here we go. So, like I said, it made. Let me remove all these trend lines.
Damn, you really do have diamond hands.
No, I was just distracted. Okay. Here we had a break of no. Where was the break of structure? Here was the break of structure. And here we had another break of structure. So multiple break of structures that all came from here. This means this has to be taken out because smart money traders see this as a PI, this and this. Then I made this FU candle. It came up and left the wick. I had my sell limit here. I entered here at the close. I entered here at 50%, and here I had a sell limit. And yeah, then it came all the way back up, and it was very stressful. I thought it's going to stop me out, but I left it. And I closed 90% or 80% of my positions here, but now it just dumped. So that's actually intraday 1 to 13.
Dear Lord, that's amazing.
So now I'm going to request a withdrawal.
That's a beauty. That is a beauty.
But it took so long. Like it was fucking around, coming back up so many times. But it's always the same. If you're right, you just have to wait, and then the move is going to come much later. And the more it dumps, the faster it goes. So now I have to watch ES because I think it's about to hit my limit orders here.
Yeah, I'm setting a buy limit at VWAP, bro. I don't trust this. And it's Tokyo high. Get a Tokyo bounce play with VWAP, even though we already used this level. I don't know. I would like this drop to be more aggressive. It's not ripping like I need it to. Oh boy. Come on, man.
Now I just made in one trade more money than I spent in like 1 month of buying Apex challenges and blowing like 70% of them.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, it triggered one of my buy limits.
It did?
Yeah, but it has to really be valid. The 30-minute setup, it still has. Oh no, that's a 50-minute setup. I hope it tags me into the second one. I guess it does. And there's actually the possibility that it goes all the way down to 5806. But yeah, let's see.
What to do with this trade, man. Fuck.
But I'm now busy with the withdrawal.
Love-hate relationship with this trade right now. I really want to see it just let go, like a nasty let go, where it just dumps 20 points in like 2 seconds. I don't know why. I feel like that's gonna happen any second.
Oh yeah, I see.
I'm just getting these spidey senses.
You wouldn't believe what I'm eating here.
Cream of wheat.
I cannot believe it myself.
What is it?
No, I made gelatin. I don't know if you know it. Because I figured out that this gel, it's just gelatin.
It's just gelatin.
Yeah, because I figured out that this has a lot of glycine, which is a very important amino acid, and It's like a form of collagen, which is obviously very good for the joints and the skin.
Yeah,
It
bro,
has almost no calories.
ridiculous, man. Like, can we just fucking sell one day? Just flush, bro, please. I'm so sick of this market, just nonstop buying. You dip.
Yeah, bro, that's my FU kind of setup. You cannot ignore it.
I'm ignoring it.
But I don't think it's gonna pump from here, to be honest.
You don't think it's gonna pump?
No, it doesn't look so strong. But yeah, it obviously rejected from where I had my entry.
What time frame are you talking about?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, they could potentially rip up. God damn it, dude. Take out this low and then fucking go up. You fucking piece of shit. I'm so sick of this shit, man.
But you will see next week. Next week you're gonna be
Try to set stops, break even, anything?
um
Probably. It's gonna stop me out and then rip down, probably. I don't know, man.
yeah, so you're trading against me, huh?
Guess so. Oh wait, are you in long?
Yeah, I'm in long.
Oh, I thought you. God damn. We're fighting. Who's gonna win? Oh shit, this is fun. It's like a game now. Whose analysis is better? I see both, honestly. I see like it could go either way, especially with this choppy ass day. Really, anything can happen.
Yeah, it can stop us both out. It's possible.
Yeah.
No, looking at the price action, I think the FUCAN is going to fail. Also, considering that the high of the FUCAN has already been taken out.
I'm gonna go freaking bounce right off you up. Watch.
Yeah,
Here we go. Couple more points. That's why I want this rip to be aggressive, so it just can completely destroy view up without it even thinking about bouncing. If it goes slow like it is right now, just slowly pushing down, it's definitely gonna bounce. New low. Here we go. Here we go. Do I close or do I hold for a breakthrough?
hold until my buy limit gets triggered, the second one.
Your buy limit? Where's your buy limit?
I just moved it right below this low.
This next one candle is gonna flush. Watch. 3, 2, 1, flush.
Yeah,
Damn it. Oh, there we go. On. Bigger. Oh, dude, I called it.
you actually called it.
Fuck. That was crazy. I told you VWAP was gonna bounce, you stupid hoe.
So now I trigger my other buy limit.
Should I just get out? Fuck. I think my shit froze. Oh no, the price just froze. That was weird. Right off VWAP. Man, I called it, but like, I still want this thing to flush. Obviously. Dude, that was crazy. I was like 2 seconds off. I'm calling that flush. It was an aggressive one too. Oh, here we go. We tried it again. Come on, baby. If we take that whole wick out, we're definitely calling a sell day. But if we don't break that low again, it just, create a new high. I mean, a higher low on that 1 minute. Who knows?
Actually, no. I'm questioning my buys. Oh no, that's normal. I question every single trade that I make.
Yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day, break even. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out, and if I don't, I win this trade. Big winner today. If it flushes VWAP. I believe in this. Tokyo low. Tokyo low. I wonder what that would be. That would be $1,200.
Oh, this candle is gonna flush. I'm telling you. Next
Flush?
one's gonna. Yeah, this
Oh,
one's gonna flush.
I hope so. It looks, yeah, I could see it doing that. Even though it created 2 wicks, it looks like a potential disregard. Bro, that flush was sweet. Maybe I just use the 9 EMA to get out. If we get a close above that, I'll get out. Dude, you missed it too. When you left, my entry was literally this top to the penny. This top right here. I don't know if you can see my
This is
screen.
the flush that I just called. I also called the flush.
Oh yeah, it
Come,
did. Come on, keep flushing. Lower. It needs to take out that last low. Here we go.
I told you.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I think a major sell-off is coming if we break this low. Like a major heavy one. I've seen a day like this before. Way back in the day when I was a child. 10-point flush right here. Here we go. This is a sexy ass trade. I want it that way. Man, gnarly home run. Do you watch sports at all, Tim?
No, I only go to the gym and do sports. I never watch it.
Yeah. I only watch sports because I sports bet. So it makes
Yeah,
it fun.
a born gambler.
I actually don't. I don't know anything about sports. I just have a buddy that's like he's basically like how we are in trading. He's like a professional, full-time, profitable sports bettor, and
Ah,
he just sends me on the weekends so I can make some money because I'm always like trying to make money on the weekends, but I can't because trading's closed. So figured
yeah.
might as well have another source of income from just taking his picks. Last weekend, dude, on Friday, Saturday, we went 7 or 8-0. It was beautiful.
And
I had
crypto doesn't move anymore on the weekend. It used to move a lot on the weekend, but not anymore.
what, crypto?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean crypto futures. So
Oh,
now I'm not. Oh, I don't know what to do. Like here, here was the buy limit entry.
yeah,
With
this
the
sucks.
F-
It's an off you up.
and
Fortunately.
I don't have enough confidence in the buy, neither in the sell from here. So might just call it a day and be happy with my gold profits. They will hopefully arrive today or already have arrived.
Yeah, this thing looks like it's gonna let go.
No, I didn't get a notification.
Dude, you gotta go down, bro. These 1-minute candles keep fucking me. Like, you just gotta stop being a bitch. You got to stop being a bitch. Flush down. Yes. 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 So funny. Not being a hoe. Out of control for sure. It's crazy, bro. Like how much money I could lose in the after hours and how long it takes to make back during market open hours. I don't know how I lost 500 trading one contract during after hours. That's so embarrassing. Pathetic. We're about to flush again. 3, 2, 1, flush. I'm always 3 seconds late. Here we go. Come on. 3, 2, 1, flush. 3, 2, 1, flush. 3, 2, 1, flush.
But yeah, you called an amazing trade today.
Thanks, bud. 2. I called the bottom and the top. But I just got stopped out of that long from that wick, that big freaking VWAP hunting, stop hunting wick. Glad you caught that, though. You made some profit on that long, didn't you?
No, I got stopped out at break even.
But you made a buttload on that gold trade, so you're solid for the day.
Oh, yeah, I made a lot on this gold trade. Like I said, I made more money on this one trade that I made than I spent on all challenges since I started trading these Apex challenges.
Beautiful. That's what we
And
like.
I bought many of these challenges. I don't know how many I bought. Also passed a lot.
Are you talking about Apex?
Yeah, I bought so many.
I think you bought 12. It shows me 12 on my account.
No, man, it must have been more. Because I think I blew the first probably 6 or so. Because at the beginning, oh no, before I had your code, I was always buying the full ones, you know, with the trailing bottom.
You tried it before. Damn.
And I blew them all. And then I was like, oh, that's bullshit. And then you told me about the static ones. Yeah, I probably bought like 12 static ones. And I passed 5 and I blew 1 on accident because I thought it's a challenge. I thought I bought more. Yeah. Anyways, nothing feels better than trading on a personal account on Friday and requesting withdrawal. Even better is when you get the withdrawal directly, and here it doesn't even show me in the history.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a nice little withdrawal too. Just a little spending money for the weekend.
Yeah.
That's why I like Tradeovate, because it's instant. Oh, I do wires. That's what you got to do the wire. Sadly,
No, wire.
I don't think the ACH goes through the same day.
But I have actually a personal account, a bank account with US, like a checking account, because TradeAway is an American company, right?
I believe so. Yeah. Yeah, it is. US based and US regulated.
Yeah, so guys, I told you about this buy, but honestly, I don't think this buy is going to work. I think it's struggling so much because the FU is failing and it's just flipping. So buys is going to change. If it was valid, it would react much stronger, I think. But I'm neither long nor short. I don't have any opinion on this other than that dog shit price action.
Yeah, I'm looking for this flush and it's just not coming.
Yeah, if the flush comes, then it's going to be in like 3 minutes. Very soon, 15-minute candle opens. And then obviously first, if there's a flush, it has to form a top wick.
True. Just from the 5-minute, it looks like it wants to dip right now. Take off. It's just sitting on VWAP. This VWAP is the my favorite, and also right now in these times, my least favorite, because it's just so strong. People just sit here having a little picnic. Close.
And most likely they were just going to stay inside yesterday's range.
I don't know, man. I don't like, from what I'm seeing and looking at this right now, like I don't think, like, the size of the range that it is right now, it's going to be extended in one direction. I don't think it's going to be up. I do not think it's going to be up. I think it's going to make a leg down. It's the only thing that I can visually see happen using, and as I'm speaking, it's ripping up like straight to my entry. Fantastic. Thanks, guys. Thanks, market. Just ripping. Straight line. What the fuck is it doing, man?
Okay, we have less than 1 minute left on this current 15-minute candle.
And it pushes up the end of the 15. I hate when it does that. Leaving a bottom wick. So ugly. It rejected the 50 period. That's about it. That's all I see. It's probably going to push up to the last minute. Creating, yep, just like that. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Fugly. There we go. Come on, baby. Push, push, push.
No, that's a new 15-minute candle, also new 30-minute candle. And the previous one looks very bearish.
Not liking the look of the 15, that wick, but if we can break this low, I'll like it a little more. It's just melting. Right back to VWAP. Will we flush? Yes, we will. Beautiful. Come on, let it go, let it go, let it go. You got this. You got this. You got this.
I mean, if you're right and it's a sell day, then maybe actually the fast move or the big move is going to come later. Who knows?
That was a gnarly 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
That shit is so fast to the downside. And it just goes right back up. No, hopefully not.
No, even though I was very long, I believe it's going to take out the low of these FU candles now. Yeah. I would bet a lot on this, actually.
Me too. I'll put my whole account on it right now. You know what? I'm adding to my position.
Oh, there's bro. If you look at look at the 3 minutes. This, you're just staying on the 1 minute. This is fucking with your head. If you look at the 3 minute, what do you see?
I don't know.
Perfect FU retest. You see 3 minute FU liquidity.
Is this are you saying this is a bullish sign?
No, bearish.
Okay, good.
Perfect re-entry.
Yeah, I'm not seeing what you're seeing right now on the 3 minute.
Look, on the 3 minute, there's this FU candle which closed below the EMA or VWAP, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And then there was a buildup of liquidity. And now this 1 minute candle came up to take out the wick of this after FU candle. It was the perfect
I see. Yeah, I see it. Little area to get in right there for sure. Oof, getting a little push. Come on. Almost that. I can't believe this isn't 10 points. Like, this is a big move for my entry.
Oh, I think the big flush is about to come.
Yeah, I could feel it.
Me too.
I can feel it in my toes, in my fingertips, in my brain. Let's go. Come on. Ooh, that closed so bearish on the 3 minute.
Looks fantastic.
And it's holding pretty nicely. Come on, baby. We finally closed under VWAP. That's good. Now we just got to maintain. Get some distance. Get away from it. Keep pushing. Just take out the low a day at least. At least the low a day.
I see this ripping any moment.
Oh, that was a big drop. Just a smash of liquidity down there.
Yeah.
Oh, we got to get back down there. Come on, boys.
Ah, you see, bro, that's actually the 1 minute porcupine breakout here. You see the 1 minute?
Yeah, exactly. I was looking at that too. I'm like, look at all those little 1 minute wicks. Dude, just gets bought up like immediately. That was complete algos right there.
Yeah, these are high frequency algos that have buy limits, trailing buy limits.
Trading freaking assholes. They need to get destroyed. I need to go break all their computers. No more algos. Still not 10 points. It's crazy, bro. This is a huge move. I feel like I'm up like 30 points right now on this trade. Selling from the top over here.
I am absolutely convinced it's going to hit 5804.
Oh, what I was telling you before though is when you were gone, I sold the exact top right here, this like triple top to the exact penny. And I sold and it said order rejected. And then I sold again right here. It said order rejected. And then I sold again right here as it gets lower and lower and it goes order filled. I'm like, what?
Oh, it's because it's live and you cannot there was no one buying.
No, I still had the daily loss limit on my account locked. So I had to unlock it. Damn, this thing just fucking tweezer bottomed and ripped up. I cannot trust this market, man. Just take the low out right here. Come on. Come on. This is not freaking fun to play with. I'd like to get this account at least 1K. At least. Big heavy sells coming in. Here we go. Here we go. Order book's looking nice and red. We're going to get a flush right here. Here it comes, big dog. You ready? Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Nice 10 minute, 1 minute. 10.1 minute candle. Just call it a day. That'd be freaking insane. Now, I'll probably just sell at the lows, to be honest. I'm not going to hold for a 20-point move today. Could come. I'll probably get out and it'll come, but it is what it is.
Here we go. We're about to drop.
About to drop, and it pop, 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 pop.
I need you to have book maps again.
Yeah, I know. It's so annoying not being able to see this where the orders are sitting. Oh, I always get way crazy entries with book maps. I'm able to spot like the exact tick that the orders are gonna fill at.
And I think with book maps, you have much stronger conviction to then hold the trade, right? Because you see what's
Or
going on.
it kind of fucks me because I see like limit orders set like say at the lows, and then it makes me want to get out because I see them there, and then it ends up just going right through them.
And do you see them being removed or filled?
Yeah, I mean, like as the lighter the orders get, if people remove, the lighter the colors get. So like the dark reds are like super heavy, and it's always changing. It's live, so the colors are changing. And then if it like taps into or if it gets into like a level and it disappears, it shows that people like removed it or got fully filled. And if it moves through a level of and it stays like a solid line and the color doesn't change, that means that it moved through it, but there's still orders there haven't got filled. Pretty interesting. Ugh, this is fucking annoying. Come on, man. 100 more bucks. I'll call it a day.
Yeah, you need to promise me when you close your computer and you leave.
Oh, I will. It's 100% today. It's Friday. I'm definitely not doing what I did yesterday.
Guys, who of you, I guess everyone had this, that you fucked up on a Friday morning and you kept trying to recover your losses and you traded until the market closed and you just lost way more than you ever imagined.
Fridays suck too when you do it because you can't do anything the next day.
And then everyone's happy because it's weekend.
Just thinking about how dumb you were.
Yeah.
Here comes the drop. Ah, dude, it was so close to the low. Fucking A, bro.
But I think once it takes out the low, it's going to be way faster. It's always what happens.
Oh, it just went right back up, bro. It was 2 ticks away from where I was going to exit.
We have for so much recently with these. Damn it.
This is ugly, dude. It looks like it's going to break up to the upside now. Let's see. 5 minute. We got the 50 period. Great. Wonderful. Amazing. Where's the 9? Do I even have the 9? The green line's the 9. What? Fuck. What a scam ass day this market's been.
Yeah.
Everything just scammed me today. 1 minute's just pushing. Dude, you didn't even fucking take any fucking liquidity. Why would you rip up now? Get back down there. Missed the liquidity by a couple ticks. I just want 10 points. Literally, how is this not 10 fucking points? What type of world are we living in? Where a man can't get his 10 points? Oh my god, look at that. That's 10 points. It's a tick. One tick. I'm about to just get out. This is about to rip up. Should I just reverse my position to the upside? Psych.
Yeah, it's strange because we really didn't take any new liquidity to the downside. Well, just the internal one.
Yeah. Stupidest thing ever. I'm gonna just watch the 50 period and it's 200. If we don't reject this, I'm out. Very, very small day. So stupid, dude. I'm like, I can't even get up, like, believe this market. It is just so freaking slow. Yeah, Down syndrome. Fuck you, dude. And it just rips. It just rips up. No chop, just straight up. Now's your chance. Reject. The 50 and the 200 are like lined up perfectly. Should reject.
We have a new 15-minute candle in like
course.
very
15-minute candle has closed with a massive wick.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Oh, you know what we just bounced off? The 15-minute 50 period. Just to the exact tick. It just launched off of it.
Yeah, maybe we get lucky and with the next candle it fills the wick and goes lower.
Dude, I gotta get out, man. This blows. Okay, sellers stepping in at the 200 and the 50 period pretty nicely here. Come on, bro. Follow through. That was a very clean area for these guys to step in. Just need a massive push down now. Here we go. Push, push, push. It's looking mighty fine. Oof. There we go. Beautiful 1 minute bearish engulfing. Now we got to maintain this low with a new low. Nope. Can't get back up there. If we get all the way back up on this one, I'm out. I don't trust that strength. Plus, this would be the higher low. We got to flush down. Come on, baby. Come on. Dude. 2 orders came through and it shot up like 10 fucking ticks. What? Dude, they stepped in at the perfect time and melted the market. Now they don't have continuation. Like, come on, you guys are strong. Y'all got this. Beat these freaking buyers, man. Beat them to the pulp. Beat them to a pulp. Gosh, dude, no more wicks. So ridiculous. Wick City in this bitch. Okay, here we go. This next candle should let go. Come on, bro. Get it. Get it. Oh. Flow is not on the green side anymore. It's trying. It is trying. Wow. That was heavy. Heavy sellers stepped in right there. Got some heavy sellers stepping in. Let's go, baby. Big buyer. I mean, big sellers. Like to see those large contracts.
In 10 minutes, we have a new 1 hour candle. So if this one doesn't drop and make a new low, then the next candle is going to probably form a wick. And
ooh, if this hourly candle closes deep, I think the next hourly candle is going to be crazy deep. Oh my God, that 1 minute candle. Let's go. I'm out.
let's fucking go.
Fuck yeah. Boom. I bottom tick the exit too.
Me too, but I'm still in with 4 contracts.
I'm out. I'm out big time. Oh my God, that was sick. Look.
Send all the W in the chat.
There's like one person in here. And it's just me. There's one person in here and it's me.
Yeah, and in my stream it's 5 people and probably 2 is you and me. What we do is for the passion or because of passion.
Yeah, it just makes it more fun. I like it. And it records our sessions.
You know what? It makes me even more happy if you win than like if I win and you don't, then I cannot really enjoy it. But now you won and I won too. So
yep, exactly. Yeah, I'd feel like shit if I won.
And even though you might have a conviction that this is going to drop, I don't know how many points after it closes, don't trade anymore. This was your last trade for the week.
Yes. No, I'm not. Even if it keeps dumping, I'm done. But I'm not even gonna watch it honestly until you get out. I'll just chill until you get out.
Yeah.
I just want to see this play out.
So yeah, I'm going to show you. I traded the breakout here. My entry was very low, but also had a very tiny stop loss. I'm going to show you. I know that's the wrong chart.
Oh my God. Look at this exit. I'm going to... Oh, it's about to break again.
I made back the losses from before and I'm in profit. So you can see I entered here because here was my buy limit, but I saw how it reacted. So I closed my buy limit. My buys, I closed them.
Entry.
Changed my buys once again. And here I exited 50% of my positions. And these ones are just randomly placed here.
Entry.
But it was a very nice trade. Very, very nice. Here was the FU candle. I entered at the close of the candle, then some more when it came back up. but I had 8 contracts.
Look at the video I just sent you on Instagram.
Okay. Check.
I got my 10 points. I'm happy. I got a little more than 10 points. I got like 12,
So happy for you.
I think 11. It's all I've been able to get lately is 10, bro. It's fucking struggle to get 20 this whole week.
Oh, dude, I'm so sorry I didn't see your your videos. I'm barely on Instagram anymore. I'm gonna watch them after the stream.
But that video I just was showing you, the exit was literally
On the fucking dot here.
On
It was
exact exit. I mean, the exact one. It's pretty amazing. Especially
now I
I exited market order too, and it still managed to give me bottom tick.
Yeah, you're a market executor. I always enter and exit with limits, limit and stop.
Yeah, I'm happy. Beautiful, beautiful day. Made everything I lost yesterday during the after hours back.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
So we going in strong to next Monday. It's gonna be a beautiful month. I have a crazy rest of the year, bro. So I'm in Nashville right now. I was gonna just stay out here and sign a lease, but decided I'm gonna go home for the holidays for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I'm gonna live up for a couple weeks at my snowboard cabin in Mammoth. And then I'm gonna come January 1st, like right at the beginning of the year, come sign a lease out here.
Nice one.
So
I'm gonna
for 2 months.
I'm gonna make it easy for myself. I'm just gonna have one exit. Either it's gonna be a break-even stop out, or it's gonna be a TP here. Like looking how this market moves, it's much more likely to take me out of break-even. Well, no, actually not. It's very unlikely to take me out of break-even when I look at these candles. This candle even gapped down.
This is now if we maintain this right here, right where price is at, and not move any higher, this is gonna be a super, super bearish sign. We're gonna fucking melt all day. Or at least the Tokyo low. That was like the original plan. I really believe we're gonna go down to Tokyo low. 57.91.
91. That's the Tokyo low. This would be very
10 more
here.
points. 10 more points. 14 from where we are.
Since I cannot lose anymore, so I move my TP here.
I would just move your stop loss right above VWAP. That would be clean, because if it moves above VWAP, we're definitely going back up. But if we maintain under it, you're solid. This thing's gonna sell all day.
You see this trend line, how it bounces from here.
What trend line is that?
That's one from the breakout today. Look, here it broke out of this here.
Yeah.
I retested, but usually second time it fails. But when I look at this 50-minute candle, I'm pretty sure the next one is going to pull up a lot, but still close bearish.
Well, look at my screen real quick. I'll show you what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So we pulled up. Right. I mean, we just did it right now. Oops. This whole opening range right here, we just pulled up into, and we held nicely, and now we're selling off. So anything above this, I would expect the market to head back up. But the fact we got under VWAP after all that time, now we're under the opening range, now turned the opening range into resistance. Like, dude, this thing's going. It's not that far. 10 points to the Tokyo low. To the Tokyo low. Stuttering.
Yeah, in 3 minutes, the new 1 hour candle opens. So maybe people are now short, it's going to go short, and maybe it's going to be a smooth ride. But
yeah, I think it'll be pretty smooth sailing from here. Especially if this, hourly closes this massive bearish engulfing, just like I wanted it to. I don't think the next one's gonna have a pullback. It's just gonna extend and keep extending and keep extending. I got so excited when that flushed.
Me too.
Because it was just like the most stressful slow trade. Oh, look at the 3 minutes, bro. What is it? Look at these little FU candles. What the heck are these?
Yeah, but they were great. Imagine you had the 50 an entry there.
That's
Out
insane.
of these three FUs, one failed, and the other ones they delivered. A really
Yeah.
nice reward ratio.
Yeah, this one was perfect. FU, take out the high, boom.
Exactly.
That would have been a sick ass entry right there off the 50 period. Well, actually, that was the pullback that it pulled back to, and I was watching the one, and I said that the 50 and the 200 were lining up perfectly. See, the 50's right here, and it rejected, but the 200 period was also right there at the same time. So that's why when it pulled back, I was scared, but I had a lot of conviction with that, with those two lining up and they stepped in strong. The second it hit, I was watching the book, and it was just big sellers stepped in at that spot. So
But how do you see this? Is this the book that you have open?
no, level 2 on Tradeovate.
I have no idea what it is. Can you show this?
Yeah. Let me see. How do I share the screen? Let me see. Boom. Tradeovate. There we go. So this right here.
Wait, I need to put it up. Oh, my trade, by the way, is going beautifully.
Yeah, it's dumping.
I'm gonna let this run, and in the meantime, you can show us what this means. Here, I'm
So,
sharing.
can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So this is level 2 right here, and I have it set to the 8, so it only shows me orders that are coming through, people that are placing orders that are bigger than 8 contracts. You can set it to 1 to see every single contract that comes through. So basically, the the black orders, like the ones that aren't like the thick red or green, are the black area is basically people that are selling but not moving the price. Like it doesn't cause the price to go up or down a tick. All the solid bars, the solid reds and the solid greens, are orders that are causing the price to go up a tick. So that's, up a tick, down 2 ticks, down a tick, up 2 ticks. And these are just empty orders, basically, like orders that are going through, but they're not moving price. So when you see price, like when it pulled back into this area, and I see heavy, big orders, like 20 contracts, 50 contracts.
Yeah.
When I see heavy, big sellers coming through, and they're the thick bars like this,
Like now, 45, 57.
it's filling the price and actually causing price to move. That's how you know that participants are strong and getting, having an effect on the market.
But these are all the filled orders.
All these greens, that means there's tons of buyers and they're not causing the price to move. So that's a good sign for the bears.
But these orders, are these filled orders, or are these
All of them are filled. Yeah, every single one that comes through is filled.
also the limit orders? You don't see them. You just see the bid and ask on the right.
Yeah, I mean, it's just anything. If somebody has a limit order and it gets filled, because this is all based off current price. So like this, it tells you right here, this is the price that is getting filled. 5801.50, 5801.75 right here. And right here is the amount of contracts. So that's 21 contracts filled at 5802. So all you need to pay attention to is, because this is all current. Exactly where price is at is what is showing. So you just want to see, when you're in an area like right now, if we wanted to get buys, we would want to see tons of these thick green bars come through, and we would want to see large participants stepping in.
Oh, I see.
Just give us more conviction.
Yeah, but then also these high frequency traders, they have buy limits and then they instantly close, and it's going to be a sell. So obviously they have a big lot for buys and instant sell. So it's hard to know. But now, for example, I see more big buy orders. Now the sellers are stepping in again.
Well, I have it filtered on 1, so it's showing a lot. Like that's why I keep it on 8, so I only see the bigger
Yeah.
orders. Kind of filter out the small fish that don't really.
Because imagine you have an algo that draws buy limits. It wakes down, it fills it, and then when it wakes up, it instantly closes. You can trade tons of volume, just small movements,
Mm-hmm.
and that's what the high frequency traders do.
Things about.
I'm going to develop a high frequency trading bot for futures, because on futures the fills you get.
You should. That'd be sick. That'd be so dope to have that on like these rangy days, rangy times. Just turn it on and just boom, 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 boom. Catch all these highs, all these lows.
You know what I'm going to do this? I'm going to translate the bot that I have for the MT4 high frequency trading bot. I'm going to translate this to.
How could you set it up on a regulated broker though? Because you would still have to deal with spreads and slippage on.
Oh yeah, but that's why you need an actual algorithm which decides when to buy, when to sell. I just don't know which broker can. I can use Ninja Trader.
That's what.
Trade away with Ninja Trader. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I don't know. I didn't know you can do bots with them.
Yeah, Ninja Trader has, and there you can put bots. Yeah. Okay, this is the 5-minute close, new 1 hour candle. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna drop some more.
Yeah, no, I would just
a tiny top wick. It only made a tiny top wick. It actually kept down.
Are you talking about for the 1 hour?
Yeah. So I feel pretty confident with this one.
Oh shoot! Did I just end my stream? I did. Hold on. Oops. Yeah, I love this short still. Like it's beautiful. It's doing everything that I needed to do, or that I would want it to do if I was in it.
And now we also had to close finally below this trend line. So I'm just gonna leave it, guys.
I'm gonna say it's 100% hitting Tokyo low. even though you can't say that, I believe it. I believe it.
Yeah, but I'm gonna hop off now. It's already 11 here. I want to go to the pool.
Set your limit order and send me a screenshot when it hits.
Yeah, you see here, I have buy limit is my TP, buy stop is my stop loss, and I just leave it.
Perfect. All right, brother. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll catch you on Monday.
You too, man. Thanks for the session. Thanks for telling me to switch the bias. And see you next week on Tuesday. Monday is no stream.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we can trade Tuesday, but yeah.
No, I told you I'm not going to trade on Monday.
Well, I'm going to be on, but
yeah,
I'm not going to stream, and I'm just going to be an observer on Mondays and, only trade if something's super clear, but I'm definitely not going to stream.
All right. So, guys, thanks for watching. See you on Tuesday. Everyone have a nice weekend.
Later.
Peace out.